Hello traders, you're welcome to this video and I especially welcome you back to the Forex Geek channel. Okay, now in this particular video, we are just going to be diving into something that every trader must understand, and that is how to calculate and change lot sizes in MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. Whether you are new to trading or you just want to stop guessing your trade sizes, this video will walk you through the exact steps to do it right. Now let's just start with the basics. A lot size in Forex is the volume or quantity you trade. In MT4 and MT5, this directly affects how much money you are risking on each trade. Now, the standard lot size is 100,000 units. Okay? Standard lot size, what we mean by standard lot size, that is lot size 1. Yeah, lot size 1.0 is standard lot size and it represents 100,000 units. A mini lot size, which is lot size 0.1, represents 10,000 units, and a micro lot size, which is lot size 0.01, represents 1,000 units. That's micro lot size. So choosing the right one depends on your account size and risk tolerance. Okay, but here's the deal. Lot size is not something you want to eyeball. You need to calculate it based on your risk management strategy. So here's a simple formula. Yeah, here's a simple formula. Your risk amount, yes, your risk amount should be equal to your account balance multiplied by your risk percentage per trade. All right, your risk amount should be equal to your account balance multiplied by your risk percent per trade. Then your lot size equal to your risk amount divided by your stop loss in pips multiplied by pip value. All right, so for example, let us say you have a $1,000 account and you want to risk 2% per trade. That is $20, right? If your stop loss is 20 pips and the pip value is $1, right? This way, even if the trade hits your stop loss, okay, let's just do the calculation, right? Let's do the calculation. Okay, the assumption is that your account balance is $1,000. You are risking 2% per trade. Your stop loss is 20 pips. Pip value is $1. So what that means is that your lot size, is going to be equal to $20, right? Which is your 2%. Remember that 2% is your $20. Let me just add this in front. $20 divided by 20, which is your pips, right? Times $1. Right? Times $1. So lot size is equal to risk amount, which is $20, divided by stop loss, which is 20 pips, times the pip value is $1. So this is for a currency pair that has a pip value of $1. But this particular currency pair, USD CAD, you can see the pip value, because different currency pairs might actually have different pip values. I just want to use this as an example because you might be wondering what pip value means. Okay, different currency pairs might actually have different pip values. For example, you can see that I have an indicator that is telling me what a pip value is for a particular currency pair. So you can see that the pip value for USD CAD for one standard lot, you can see the value of one pip. Can you see 7.25? Then the value of 1 point is 0.7. So 0.72. So had it been we are doing a calculation for USD CAD, so instead of using 1, we are going to be using 0.72. Now let's just look at Euro USD. You see Euro USD is $1. Can you see? Can you see that value of 1 point is equal to $1 for the Euro USD? So I just decided to show you this example for you to understand what I mean by pip value. Okay? So now when we do this calculation, we are now going to be getting, so this is going to give us equal to 1 mini lot or 0.1. Okay, because once you have done the calculation, 20 times 1 is 20, 20 divided by 20 is 1. So this is 1 mini lot or 0.1. So this way, even if the trade hits your stop loss, you only lose what you planned to. No surprises. Now let us look at how to change the lot size in MT4 and MT5. So basically, you know, they're similar. In MT4, once you just open your new order window, you look for the volume field. This is the volume field here. You enter your lot size manually. For example, 0.01, 0.1, whatever, whether it's a mini lot, micro lot, or standard lot. Then you place your trade as usual. All right. Or if you are using the one-click trading option, you can just set your stop loss here, click the buy button or the sell button immediately. All right. And then the same thing happens on MT5. All right. When you click on your new order, you can set your volume size here, which is the lot size. All right. The volume section, set your desired lot size. You proceed to buy or sell. If you're using the one-click trading option, you can just manually enter your lot size here, immediately click the buy or the sell button. Okay. Remember, the volume input is your lot size. You can change this every time you place a trade, depending on your stop loss and risk. All right, now let's talk about common mistakes. Don't trade with a fixed lot size, regardless of account size. Okay, and also avoid using a large lot size to recover losses. Always know your pip value for the pair that you are trading. All right, consistency in your lot sizing is the foundation of solid risk management. Do not ignore this part. It's not just technical, it is strategic. So if you found this breakdown helpful, do me a favor, smash that like button. And if you're not already part of the community, hit subscribe so you never miss a new trading tutorial. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or you want me to cover a specific strategy or tool in MT4 or MT5. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, trade smart, not hard.